नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन our online study of mathematics.
Friends, in this video we will discuss about the mathematics of class 7 in which fractions. So dear, we will learn about the fractions. So let's start. Fractions. What is fraction? A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Means, what is the meaning of fraction? If we take a whole part and some part we take out of this whole part, then that some part is represented into form a fraction, and fraction is denoted by numerator divided by denominator. In short form, it is written as n raised to the power r divided by d raised to the power of r. For the example, 5 by 8, this is a fraction, and 5 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Similarly, 3 by 2, 17 by 9, 2 by 7, all are fractions. Okay. So dear, example for a fraction. Let an apple, and if this apple divide in 4 equal parts, then one part is represented by 1 by 4. So this is known as fraction, because apple is a 1 and this apple divided in 4 equal parts. So one part is represented as 1. 1 is the whole and part is there are 4. So this is one part is represented by 1 by 4. So it is a fraction of a apple. Now types of fractions. So first one is proper fraction. In a fraction, if the numerator is less than the denominator, then that fraction is called proper fraction. For example, 2 by 5. So here numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. So numerator is less than the denominator, so it is a proper fraction. 5 by 9. 5 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. 5 is less than to 9. 11 by 25. Similarly, 13 by 72. All are the proper fraction. Now second one, improper fraction. What is improper fraction? In a fraction, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is called improper fraction. For example, 12 by 5. 12 is greater than 5. 35 by 9. So here 35 is greater than to 9 and 5 by 2. Similarly, 101 by 25. In this case, all the numerators are greater than the denominators. So these are improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. An improper fraction can be written as a combination of a whole and a part, and such fraction then called mixed fraction. Okay. For example, 1 is the whole and 2 by 5 this is a part. So 1 and 2 by 5 this is a mixed fraction. 4 and 5 by 9 this is also a mixed fraction. 2 and 11 by 25. Similarly, 5 and 13 by 72 this is all are mixed fraction. Now we are moving for next, like fraction. What do you understand from like fraction? If fractions which have same denominators are called like fraction. For example, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 11 by 7 and 82 by 7. In all fractions, denominator is 7. So these type all fractions are called like fraction. And next one, unlike fraction. So dear, fraction which have different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 2 by 7, 5 by 17, 11 by 12, 82 by 35. In these all fractions, denominators are different such that 7, 17, 12, 35. So these all fractions are known as unlike fraction. So next, moving equivalent fraction. What do you understand? Equivalent fraction. Each proper or improper fraction has many equivalent fractions. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, we may multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Means, if a fraction is given and if you divide numerator and denominator by a same number, then next fraction you will get equivalent fraction. Otherwise, if you multiply numerator and denominator both by a same number, then you will get next fraction, that is a equivalent fraction. For example, here is 2 by 7, and in 2 by 7 we have to multiply a same number 3, that is numerator is multiplied by 3 and 7 is also multiplied by 3. Then we will get 2 3 are 6 and 7 3 are 21. That is 6 by 21 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 7. Similarly, 15 by next fractions in simplest form. How can we find a fraction into a simplest form? So dear, a fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Means, if numerator and denominator both are prime numbers, then that type of fractions is called simplest form or a lowest form. For example, here is 15 by 40. Is this 15 by 40? We have to divide both by 5, that is numerator and denominator both by 5. Then we will get 3 by 8. And this 3 and 8 both have no common factor except 1. So this fraction is called simplest of the 15 by 40. And similarly 49 by 28. And 49 divided by 7 and 28 is also divided by 7. Then we will get 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is the simplest of the 49 by 28. Clear? So moving for next, fraction on the number line. How can you represent a fraction on the number line? So dear, let us a fraction 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 we can represent on a number line. We divide the part between 0 and 1 in two equal parts. Therefore, middle part is represented 1 by 2. Let us another example. 1 by 3 is a fraction. So here is denominator is 3. So we will divide the part between 0 and 1 in three equal parts. So first part is known as the 1 by 3. Again, let us 2 by 3. So if we divide the place between 0 and 1 in three equal parts, so second part is represented 2 by 3 as you see on the screen. Okay dear, thanks.
So thank you friends to watching my video up to last, and don't forget to like, share and comment it, and subscribe my channel for getting first of all my video. Thank you once again.